Hello stalkers, welcome back. Last week was very interesting, it was profitable. Hope you made money as well. Let's start analyzing the weekly chart of DFM market, that is Dubai Financial Market Index. It has printed a perfect indecisive candle, that is dodgy. Those who have joined my YouTube membership with candlesticks, definitely they know what this candle means. We know our resistance zone was right here at 4,834 points, and on the weekly chart we are seeing a closing above this zone, that is positive. Next area of resistance that I have identified is 4,902 points. Most likely market will hit this resistance very soon. As lately in my videos I have been mentioning, we are seeing market is bit extended. Clearly we can see strong move to the upside, correction phase, again a move, a small correction, and then a strong rally. On the way up we did not see any correction, we only saw a pause candle, and then market continued its upside momentum. So I personally think a correction is due in DFM market. I hope I am wrong, but at the same time, if at all we see any correction, it should be considered healthy, because whenever market travels up in a parabolic move, it's healthy. It comes down for a correction, it tests any support zone, creates demand, and then if it makes a move to the upside, then we can consider this to be healthy. This would be sustainable. Otherwise, what happens? Market straight away goes up and then it gives away all the gains. This is not healthy at all. Hopefully we don't see that scenario. As we are seeing, market has been trending for about from May onwards, and now we are in December. So this is a good rally. I think correction is due most likely. Maybe it can start its correction from current level, or maybe it can even hit the resistance and come down. Let's see how the market unfolds coming week. I will go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. Here we can see very interesting price action. As I had mentioned in my last video, after this red candle there were chances either market can come down, visit the zone, take a bounce and then go up, or if at all market is positive, then I want to see a closing above the resistance, that is 4,834, and this is what has happened. So this gives us a good indication again that market still wants to travel higher. Immediate resistance for now stands at 4,876 points. Once this is taken out, then we will have 4,902 points. Overall, on the daily chart, it's looking very healthy. The reason is quite simple. As we can see, after a move, we can start from here. After a move, market went sideways. This is healthy correction. Again, it went up. We saw 4 to 5 days correction, similar kind of scenario. And now, lately, what has happened is earlier we used to see good thrust to the upside. But here in this scenario, we are only seeing two candles, and now market has gone sideways. Maybe market is losing the steam, we don't know, but most likely as per the chart, as per my experience, I think very soon market will start its correction after hitting this resistance, or maybe from here. Let's see how the market performs coming week. Overall, I'm still bullish with DFM. Even if there is any correction, I don't think so it would be a deeper move. Hopefully a small dip around the support zones and then market will recover. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Still looking weaker, we are not seeing strength. Check this out, long wicks at the top clearly indicating during the week market tried to go up, could not sustain, it's giving away all the gains. There are two scenarios here. Either buyers are buying it for short term, that is they are buying and immediately booking the profits, which is bringing down the price, or scenario number two, when the buyers are buying, price is going up, but then we are seeing aggressive sellers at the resistance, they are pushing down the market. As of now, on the weekly chart, ADX market index is looking a bit weaker. Check this out, after a strong drop to the downside, market went up, tried to recover, but immediately we are seeing equivalent kind of reaction. Check this out, here when market wanted to travel, it took 7 weeks to go up. But here we can see just within one red candle, it gave away almost all the gains. So this is the strength from seller side. We are not seeing strength from buyer side. Looking at last two negative candles, there are chances market can come down to visit 9,160 points. If this fails, on the weekly chart, we have strong support at 8,974. Hopefully that does not happen. I want to see a solid green candle closing above 9,400 to confirm that now ADX market index is in bullish territory. So let's go down to daily, and Here also we can see similar kind of reaction, strong wicks at the top indicating rejection. It's not even able to cross minor resistance area, that is 9300 to 9330. Previously this zone was support, now the same zone is acting as a resistance. So overall, if we see, market was trending up. After a strong drop, market is not able to recover. Here there are chances market can try and break past on the daily chart. If at all, any closing above 9400, as I mentioned, should be considered bullish. For now, if at all you are taking any entries in ADX market, it should be in smaller quantities, because if at all market index falls, it will bring down negativity and people will start offloading their quantities. This is the daily chart of Manazel. It's now looking interesting. In Friday's session, it made good move. It was up by more than 4%. Check this out. It got rejected right at the resistance area, that is 0.3350. Our planned entry was right here. After this candle, it made a move. First target is already hit. Now we are expecting our next target till about 0.350. Manazel is showing some momentum. Still, it's not in a uptrend, it's in a downtrend. But if at all it crosses and closes above 0.350, if at all during the week, if it goes up, comes down for a correction, we see zigzag momentum. And if at all we see a closing above this zone, Manazel should be considered in a uptrend. It will be bullish. For now, there are still chances it may go up and get rejected. Small entries are still recommended in Manazel. Tomorrow, if it opens flat or with a gap up, small entries should be planned, and then we should target 0.350. However, if it opens gap down at the resistance zone, then there are chances it may come down to visit 0.324, 0.320 area. That should be also considered buying opportunity, provided we see buying pressure at this support zone. Otherwise, there are chances it may revisit 0.309 area. There is a gap pending to fill up right here. If you can see, Manazel created this gap in the month of August. So this gap is still pending. There are chances after it breaks to the upside, it may fill up this gap till about 0.368. So let's see how Manazel performs. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.